All right, if we're doing a ridge vent, go ahead and cut your decking out to get that airspace going. And then we're just going to cut our panel, just like so. Now, depending on where this hits, you might need to add a 1x2 or 1x4 to make sure to stay in the same plane. You can also use the top of the panel that I've cut off here and go ahead and place that down as well. So either one works. Then we're just going to go ahead and place that panel. Getting fasteners in the front nose just like normal. And down through the top as well. Once we get that done, then we need to either do caulking along the top here. We can use our M-seal and place our M-seal there, or we can choose to do a butyl tape as well. And that's just so we don't get any wind-driven rain underneath our venting material. Alright, once we get our panel on and our M-seal or butyl tape underneath, we'll go ahead and start installing our vent. We want to make sure this stays the same plane as our roof, so our cap will match our roof. And then we're going to use our 2.5 inch panel screw to get back down into the decking. Getting fasteners in all of the recommended fastening points. And then we'll be ready to do our caps. First cap, we'll just overhang our rake channel. We'll use stitch screws so we don't put any holes in that rake channel underneath. You can see how I'm covering my ridge vent with my cap. And once again, we'll be using our 2.5 inch screws to get down back into the decking. About 2 inches up on either side. We'll go ahead and put those fasteners. And then we'll continue fastening across the ridge.